you may have heard about the revolutionary Herbalife skincare line with products designed to refresh, replenish, and rejuvenate your skin every day. Well, here's your chance to try them in a quick and convenient way. Hello, I'm Jackie Carter, Director of Worldwide Outer Nutrition Product Training at Herbalife, and I'm here to introduce you to the 7-Day Results Kit, an exclusive opportunity to sample 9 products in the Herbalife Skin line so you can experience the quick and powerful results for yourself. That's right, you get the cleansers, moisturizers, serum, the scrub, and the mask, all in one deluxe package that is a modern-day skin survival kit. Maybe you've heard about the dramatic benefits of the line-minimizing serum, or you're curious about the Herbalife Skin line in general. Well, the 7-Day Results Kit is the easy way to experience benefits like a remarkable improvement in skin softness, smoothness, radiance, glow, and luminosity, and a significant reduction in the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, all in just 7 days. Once you experience the luxurious textures and see more beautiful, healthier-looking skin, you'll want to enjoy the benefits of Herbalife Skin every day. Because the products are trial-sized, the kit is perfect for traveling and it makes for an excellent gift. We believe that you will want to share your successful product results with others. The 7-Day Results Kit is a great way to introduce Herbalife Skin to people of all ages who want great skincare. All of the products in the Herbalife Skin line are formulated with vitamin B3, aloe vera, antioxidant vitamin C and E, and the finest botanicals and plant extracts. They're paraben-free, sulfate-free, and dermatologist-tested for a soothing, luxurious experience. This is Herbalife Skin.